How to make a poll in your WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can make any poll in your WhatsApp. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your WhatsApp. So now once you are in, you just have to select the chat in which you want to make any poll. So if you go in the group chats and simply select it, now as you can see that here in the text messages there is the plus icon on your keyboard. You just have to tap on it. Now here is the option of the poll. You just have to click on it, and from here you are able to create a poll, and in this you have to simply create a question, and after that you have the options. You just have to add that, and you have to allow the multiple answers, and after that you just have to simply add it, and you just have to click on the send, and after sending it you are able to create and make a poll in your WhatsApp. So this is how you can make any poll in your WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.